Hey there, it's Jen, and I'm excited to share with you the Ali Edwards Week in the Life kit for 2018. I'm on the design team, so I get the kit a little bit earlier so I can show it to all of you. And there are two options for albums this time, a 3x8 and a 6x8, which I think is really cool. I opted for the 3x8, but I don't have it yet. So I'm going to just show you what else, what all comes in the main Week in the Life kit. And I haven't really opened this to look at it, so I'm excited to open it with you. I'm going to start with, this is today's details. It's a little notepad so you can write down what happens at each time of the day, and it's punched so you can stick it straight in the album if you wanted to, or excuse me, it's also perforated right here so that you could rip them off and stick them in one of the 3x8 page protectors that comes with the album. And I know that there are 3 different sizes for the page protectors. There's one that's for the 3x8 album. There's one that's full 3x8. There's one that's 2 3x4s. And then there's also one that is, let's see, I think it has a 2-inch space at the top and a 6-inch space at the bottom. So 3x6 and 2x3. So that's pretty cool. And I love this. This is super cute. And this is a good thing that I could easily take with me to write down what's going on each day. We also have these cards, and they are single-sided. They're 4x6 cards, and it says morning, midday, and evening. And then they have a day circled. So there's one for each day of the week. As you can see, the circles here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm liking that. Okay, so next, let's look at the 3x4-inch journaling cards. So we have this week. These are single-sided, very thick. Monday, loved this, and then there's a place for you to stamp or write a date, which is fun. There's one for each day of the week. And you can kind of get an idea of the color scheme here. There's a lot of black and then pops of these fun colors. Okay, then we have perhaps we could enjoy ordinary, everyday life more if we learned to celebrate the ordinary. I read that in a weird way. Let's read it again. Perhaps we could enjoy ordinary, everyday life more if we learned to celebrate the ordinary. There we go. Then this one says, it is up to you to see the beauty of everyday things. Then we have a bunch of plaid cards in each of the same colors as the day of the week cards. So there are 7 of those. So that's fun. And these are great to put things on top of. And I'll show you that as I go through the rest of the kit. So I'm going to push these aside. We have this lovely, this is epoxy stickers, and they are mostly black and white, which I absolutely love. That matches everything, right? So it says stuff like, remember every moment, the journey, don't count the days, make the days count. This is journey, this is our story, embracing imperfection, one day at a time. I want to remember. I love these tiny little ones. I love them. Gratitude, love this photo. Progress, not perfection, and it says that twice. And then there's a few little circles. One says yes, one says no, and then a few other things. We also have these really cute days of the week, and they are acetate pieces. Sorry for the packaging noise. And let me see if I can get something to show you these on real quick. I have a black piece of paper here, just so you can see, because they're white. So we have Sunday, Thursday, Monday, Saturday, Friday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, of course. Okay, and I think these have a film on them that you'll want to rip off. I'm pretty sure. Definitely do. You can see it kind of peeling up right there. So yeah, make sure you rip off the film. And then we have these chipboard pieces. We have Monday through Sunday, and then we have good day and hard day, which I love. And these kind of pieces are great for adding to the top of a photo, right? We have, these are always some of my favorite things. I love word stickers. So these are really awesome. They're white, which again, I love that there's a whole bunch of black and white in this kit. So we have stuff like his, hers, say yes, hello, happy, a week in my life, hello, favorite moment, today was a challenge, I love today, Wednesday, there's the days of the week, write it down, week in the life of me, little details, little stories. Everyone has a story. Our life are made of these moments, you know, day in the life kind of text there. And then we have these awesome, these are rubber ovals. Sorry for the noise, and it's not going to focus yet. I'm going to pull these out. Okay, so we have life looks like this right now. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Loved this moment. I love this kind of soft bluish color. Real life. Love that pop of bright purple. So glad this is part of life. Stories matter and stories of today. So, story of today. These are the things that I was thinking would be kind of cute on a card like this. You could put it in the middle right here, and then you could type some stuff down here or stamp the date, or you could even put it down more or whatever you wanted. So these are fun for that. Next, we have these cool little, these are acetate too, but they're gray, so they're not as see-through as the days of the week, as you can see here. They do have a film cover on them as well. You see that? And they say daily life. Boy, these are the days, hour by hour, the stuff of daily life. Celebrate the ordinary moments and enjoy the little things. Look how cool that looks. You could somehow set these up on a page. I think would be kind of cool to do something like this. And then you could like type in these areas right here, and it'd still be, I think, small enough for a 3x8. So I think that's pretty cool. All right. Next, we have the numbers, and they are big cork numbers. Just open those real quick here. Has 0, 1, I think there's 2 of each number. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's just 2 ones. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's 2 ones. And then 1 of each of the other numbers. So there we go. And then last but not least, we have these little wood shapes, and these are super cute. They're fun little shapes that have a lot to do with everyday life. So sorry about the packaging noise again. I should have unwrapped these to begin with. Okay, so we have a fork and a knife. We have a large geotag. There's a cup. So you can see how large these are in relation to my hand. These are bigger than most wood veneer shapes. There's a house, which I absolutely love. There's a moon for nighttime, a sun for daytime, and a TV. So these are all kinds of daily life things as well, right? And this, I think you could put some of these too on these more plain cards, and these are fun to always like emboss a different color, or you can paint them, you can stamp on them, all kinds of things like that. So I love that. And I was just thinking too how some of these things could fit within these circles on the sun and the geotag. I always like to put circles inside of those kinds of things, so I think that would be a fun thing to do as well. So that is the kit. If you want to see some ideas on how I'm thinking I'm going to use some of these products, be sure to be following my Instagram. I'm Crafty Jen Schow over there, and I will be sharing some photos until the end of the month with ideas on how I'm going to use this kit. And the products go on sale tomorrow. If you're watching this on the day it comes out, they go live tomorrow, March 21st, 2018. So be sure to check out allieedwards.com so you can be sure to get the kit that you want and the different extras that you want as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.